Welcome back to the channel, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse faster than a cat avoids a bath. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. We're comparing the ARESGAME AGV Series 650W power supply against the CORSAIR RM650. Let's see which one deserves a place in your PC and which one should be sent packing. First up, let's talk about the price. ARESGAME comes in at a wallet-friendly $59, making it a delightful find. Reviewers praise it for being budget-friendly and reliable, making it suitable for mid to high-end gaming rigs. On the other hand, CORSAIR struts in at $89. While it's a bit pricier, many users appreciate its exceptional performance and durability, feeling that the higher price reflects its quality. So, if you're ballin' on a budget, ARESGAME might just be your bestie. But if you've got cash to splash, CORSAIR could be the shiny trophy you didn't know you needed. Next, let's talk about efficiency. ARESGAME boasts an 80 PLUS bronze certification, which is solid but not the best. Reviewers have noted its energy efficiency and reliability, making it a good option for budget builders. Meanwhile, CORSAIR comes in hot with an 80 PLS Gold certification, with up to 90% efficiency. Reviewers rave about its stability and performance, especially under heavy loads. If you want your power supply to be the Hermione Granger of power supplies, go with CORSAIR. But if you're okay being Ron Weasley, good enough but not quite the top, ARESGAME is still a solid pick. Now, let's discuss cable management. ARESGAME has all black cables, simple and tidy. Reviewers appreciate the semi-modular design, which helps with organization, though some noted excess cables can be a hassle. CORSAIR, on the other hand, is fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need. Users love the included matching cables that help prevent messiness. If you want a clean setup, CORSAIR wins this round. But if you're okay with a little chaos, ARESGAME holds its own. Moving on to noise levels. ARESGAME features a silent 120mm fan, which is praised by reviewers for its quiet operation, perfect for late-night gaming sessions. CORSAIR also has a 120mm fan, designed for quiet operation even at full load. Reviewers mention it's not completely silent, but certainly not overly loud. Whether you want to keep it stealthy or avoid waking up your grandma, both are solid choices. Overall, ARESGAME is a great budget-friendly option that offers decent performance, while CORSAIR stands out as a premium choice with superior efficiency and modularity. Both have their strengths, catering to different user needs. So, there you have it. ARESGAME is your affordable buddy, while CORSAIR is the overachieving friend who always has their life together. If you're looking to save a few bucks, go with ARESGAME. But if you want the best of the best, CORSAIR is your guy. Remember, the right power supply can make all the difference in your gaming experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.